You know what's destroying more dreams than failure? Laziness. It doesn't show up like a villain. It sneaks in quietly. One day you skip the gym. The next day you push your work to tomorrow. And suddenly, months are gone. Tell me, how many times have you said, "I'll start tomorrow," but tomorrow never came? Laziness feels harmless in the moment. You think, it's just one more scroll, just one more nap. But here's the truth. Laziness steals your time, your confidence, and your potential. It's not just about lost hours. It's about lost years. And if you keep waiting for motivation, you'll wake up one day realizing you wasted the one life you had. But here's the good news. Laziness isn't who you are. It's just a habit your brain built. And any habit can be broken. So the real question is, how do you fight back? Step 1. Win the first 5 minutes. Don't think about finishing the whole task. Just commit to 5 minutes. Because action beats motivation. Always. Once you start, your brain follows. Step 2. Kill your triggers. What makes you lazy? Your phone, your bed, your Netflix tab. Remove them from your environment. If your phone is your trap, put it in another room while you work. Step 3. Build tiny victories. Every small win builds momentum. Make your bed, drink water, write one sentence. Success is not about giant leaps. It's about stacking little wins until laziness has no space left. Think about athletes, entrepreneurs, or even students who made it big. They weren't born with insane motivation. They just refused to let laziness take the wheel. They did the small, boring things daily, and that discipline made them unstoppable. So ask yourself right now, do you want to keep letting laziness kill your future, or do you want to start winning today? Remember, tomorrow never comes. Your life changes the moment you decide, not later.